Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily install apps on your iPhone using Face ID. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down for a bit until you find the Face ID and the passcode. Then it will ask you to enter your current passcode, and after that you will be taken to this screen. And obviously, if you haven't yet set up Face ID on your device, you can do so right now. Then just make sure that this option, which is called iTunes and App Store, is enabled. If this switcher toggled off, just hit on that to turn this feature on. Also, you can enable other options to make the most of Face ID if for some reason those options are disabled at your device. After that, you can hop out Settings and open up App Store, and then just search for some app, let it be Paramount, and in order to download this app to your device, you can just hit at Get. Then it will ask you to double click at your power button, just like that, and after that it will use Face ID to allow downloading of that app. The app scans my face instead of asking me for a password. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Face ID and iPhone tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.